Hi, it's Dominic, and if you're into AI agents and the latest in AI, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. In today's video, I want to present you my personal workflow that allows me to auto-cut and edit my videos with AI. And if you are a person who is in high demand for talking head videos and reels, how I post them in YouTube Shorts, TikTok and Instagram, this video is for you. Because I want to present you my personal automation workflow that allows me to upload a raw video and I get back a completely cut and edited, finished posting ready video. And in this video, I want to show you the big picture, how the components work together so that you get an idea how powerful AI automation actually is and how cool the things are that you can build with it. So if this is something you're interested in, stick around until the end because we will give the thing a spin and you will see how good it works. All right, let's get started and let's have a look what the actual goal of my workflow is. The goal is to upload a raw take video of myself talking into the camera, something between 3 to 5 minutes long. And then my workflow, the AI will detect which parts of that raw take video should stay in the final video. It does the cutting for me. Then the AI will also detect which parts of the video should be illustrated with images, and the workflow will of course also create these images and will also decide at which exact time these images should be visible in the final video. On top of that, it will also create captions and it will also highlight the most important words in a different color as we know it from social media reels. And then when all this is done, the AI puts together the finalized cut and edited video so that we can just take it and post it on social media. And as you can imagine, this will save you a lot of time. In my case, that saves me between 40 to 90 minutes per video that I edit with that workflow. And as I try to post at least 2 times per day, you can imagine how much time I save with that workflow. Good. On the next slide, I want to show you which components are involved in that workflow. We start with a user interface that I implemented on a restricted area on my website. And here I can just upload my videos, my raw take videos. I can select the settings if I want B-roll, if I want captions and so on. And then the videos get uploaded to a Hetzner cloud server. And on that cloud server, I run a so-called Flask app that is based on Python, a Python script that I developed together in collaboration with ChatGPT. And what is happening there is that the video gets transcribed. So I have a big text file with different timestamps for each single word. And that script gets sent to Relevance AI, where I build an AI agent. And that AI agent does all the tasks that you saw at the slide before. The agent decides which parts and words of the video should stay in the final video, because remember, we upload a raw take video where I sometimes repeat myself, I say something again because I didn't like it in the first version, and the agent will also decide, okay, which parts of that video should be illustrated with images. The agent will then reach out to another AI image creation platform and actually create these images, and it will also decide from where to where these images should be visible in the final video. It will also create the captions and of course which words should be highlighted in the finalized video. And then when all this is done at Relevance AI, the agent sends back a big pile of data to my Hetzner cloud server, where the final video gets put together with the images, with the captions, and of course it also gets cutted so that I get out a finalized posting ready video sent to my own email address. So this is how that workflow works. It's very powerful, and as I said earlier, it saves me between 40 to 90 minutes per video, which is quite a lot, and it adds up over time, as you can imagine. And why did I build it this way? Very simple. I also plan to offer that in the future to other people, to other creators. And when I build it on a cloud-based infrastructure, that workflow could be used all around the globe, all you need is internet access. Alright, and now in the next step, I want to present you how good that works. As you can see, I already prepared quite a lot of videos, raw takes that I can now upload to my app, and the workflow will auto cut and edit these videos so that they are posting ready. And first I want to show you what I mean with raw takes, and then we will test it out. So as you will see in a second, this is how a typical raw take of mine looks like. I speak into the camera, then I look to my script, I speak into the camera again, and like that I go through the entire script. This has the advantage that I don't have to memorize the entire script, and it speeds up my production process a lot. Like that I can easily produce 50 to 100 videos in a single day, and together with my workflow you can imagine how fast my content production is. So let's have a quick look how my raw take looks like so that you actually understand what I upload to my app, and then I will show you how good the workflow works.
I increased my YouTube views by 300% without changing what I say.
Then I look to the script.
I just stopped editing manually.
And then again to the script, back to the camera.
I built a system that handles all post-productions with AI.
Alright, I think you get the idea. I basically just switch between the script and the camera, and this is exactly what I upload to my auto video cutter and editor, and this is what we do now. So here we are at the user interface that I implemented at my website at a restricted area, at least for now, and as you can see you can fill in an email address, and then you can upload the videos, you select the settings, and you're good to go. And this is what we do now. So up here, I just enter my own email address. Then you can select if you upload with Dropbox or you just upload the files. I go with the files. And in that example, we go with 2 videos. I upload them. We select cutting. Yes, we want the video to be cutted. We want B-roll images, and of course we also want captions, so we go here with yes. And as you can see, I even implemented different fonts, different caption styles, different colors for the highlighted words and so on. And the default settings are of course exactly how I like my videos, but this is completely customizable. And we can also do some color adjustments, but for now I just want to show you the basic functionality. And then we just click here to submit to upload the videos. Now you see it takes a couple of seconds until the videos are completely uploaded. This just depends on your internet speed. And when this is done, the cutting and editing process starts. Alright, this is almost uploaded, and as soon as the videos are on my server, I will start my timer so that we see how long it actually takes until the videos are done. Alright, the videos are uploaded and I started the timer so that we can check how long it takes, and I come back to you as soon as we get the first finalized video in my email inbox. Alright, here it is. The first video is done. It took exactly 2.5 minutes, and you see in my email inbox we got a nice download link. And when we click on that, we can download the first video of the 2 I uploaded. We do that, and then we will of course also check it out. Good, here we are, and I just want to show you real quick once again the raw take video, and then I want to show you what the workflow did out of that. So this was the raw take.
I increased my YouTube views by 300% without changing what I say.
Then I look again to the script.
I just stopped editing manually.
And so on and so on. And this is now the final version, what the workflow did out of it.
I increased my YouTube views by 300% without changing what I say. I just stopped editing manually. I built a system that handles all post-productions with AI. Now I publish faster and I get better results. If you'd had that system, would you post more? Comments below.
You see, it works quite well, and this is exactly how I transform my raw take videos into finalized posting ready videos, and that in a matter of seconds. It just took 2.5 minutes from that state to that, and even though the video is not perfect, sometimes the images are not perfectly matching, sometimes some words in the captions are not perfect, but these are things that I still can optimize in the future, and already now this allows me to post 2 to 3 times per day, and that without lifting a finger. So what do you think about that solution? Let me know in the comments, and if you want to test it out with your own raw tech videos, just drop me a message and I can give you free access so that you can test it out with your own videos. On top of that, if you want to learn how to automate processes in general, whether for your own life, for your business, or for other people, I can also recommend you my 12-hour video course, Master AI Automation, Build Real AI Agents from Scratch, that I just launched a couple of days ago. You find the course in the video description. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and you got a lot of value out of it. If so, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you think about that workflow and if this is something that would help you as well. I hope we see each other next video. Take care and goodbye.